Pure nature. What is a pure nature? We see the clouds, we see the woods, we see the colors, and our heart is feeling that somehow, even though it's beautiful, something is missing. What is this? But we are in the nature, and the nature is all we were searching. But what is a true nature? The real nature. It is much, much, much more than you find here in this world of pictures. It's the beauty, the unlimited beauty of yourself, of your holy, unlimited self. God's creation, God's extension, God's beauty. Did you know that your Father is beautiful and He loves you with His fullest surrender? He has given you everything. You are that beautiful being. Just open your heart and be what you are in your true nature.